In this video I would like to show you how you can install FiveLoop for the Safari browser on a Mac computer in order to set loops for online videos. So the first thing you need to do is go to the App Store and search for FiveLoop. And then you go ahead and download FiveLoop for Safari, and you go ahead and open it. So this is the actual application, but we actually do not need it. You only need to run it once, and you click on the button Open in Safari Extension Preferences. So in the Safari Preferences, you need to make sure that this check mark here is set. That allows FiveLoop to run the script on these websites. And these are all the websites that are currently compatible with FiveLoop. So make sure you have to set this check mark, and then you can close the settings. And now you need to refresh the page once. Now you see this FiveLoop logo here on the bottom left of your browser window. And this always appears if you browse to a site which FiveLoop is compatible with. So you can open it by clicking on it and close it by clicking it again. And it gives you some extra controls you do not have from a regular video player from a website. You have play pause, you have backward 5 seconds, forward 5 seconds. You can adjust the speed in 5% steps or increase, and you can set loops. And this is basically working like a looper pedal. So when you play the video, you press the loop button once to set the start of the loop, and when you press the button the second time, you set the end of the loop, and then it keeps repeating between those 2 points. When you press it a third time, the loop is cleared and the video plays regularly. Yeah, let me demonstrate.
So the lesson I want you to focus on today is how do you establish a loop? Is that now because it becomes second nature for you. So where it's used for you, you're used.
The video is lagging a little bit because I'm screen recording at the same time. Normally it does not lag. Now I clear the loop. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. You can enter full screen and exit full screen here, and there is a little metronome where you can tap the beat or adjust it by the plus and minus button and turn it on and off right here.